What's the chance you're calling me out? What's the chance I'ma hear it coming out of your mouth? Yeah. What's the chance you're putting me out? What's the chance I'ma hear? I don't love you, don't wanna lose your love, and you don't wanna let go. Wish I do. What's the chance you're calling me out? What's the chance I'ma hear it coming out of your mouth? Yeah. Now you won't know my time, babe, but I can't even sit here with you. You stay on my mind, yeah. Typical of me, I'm confused. You're calling me up, picking you up and fucking you all night. I never know where it could go, but know that it won't be the last time. We fall asleep, wake up and act surprised. Sex was a secret, now it's an open lie. Remember I was wrong, I was stoned, you were like, oh, oh. You had no love for me like, oh, oh. Probably cause you don't wanna reflect, and the reason why you can't get all upset. What's the chance you're calling me out? What's the chance I'ma hear it coming out of your mouth? Yeah. What's the chance you're putting me out? What's the chance I'ma hear? I don't love you, don't wanna lose unreachable, and no one seems to hold me like you do. You're so wonderful, a star could never shine as bright as you. Shine as bright as you. Even the dark days still see light, even the birds still sing at night. Every word just comes out right when I'm with you, with you. I feel so lucky I met you, and I still can't believe that I get to see those eyes for more than tonight. Swear you must have fell from the sky, and I feel so lucky I met you. It's not logical, the way I feel when you walk in the room. When you walk in the room, it's not optional. How gravity just pulls me right to you, to you. Even the dark days still see light, even the birds still sing at night. Every word just comes out right when I'm with you, with you. I feel so lucky I met you, and I still can't believe that I get to see those eyes for more than tonight. Swear you